10 ways in which ginger can benefit your health. Ginger is one of the most delicious spices on the planet, but it also has a number of qualities that can benefit your health. Its status as a healing food has been known throughout areas of Asia for many centuries. But it is only in recent decades that its remarkable medicinal uses have become unknown across the wider world. Here are 10 welcome health benefits of this widely available spice. It can ease all types of nausea and sickness. Ginger has a long history of use as a defense against various types of nausea, including seasickness, nausea caused by air travel, and even morning sickness in pregnant women. It can also relieve nausea and vomiting experienced by cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy and feelings of sickness after surgery. You don't need much, just 1 to 2 grams will do. Some studies have even concluded that it is as effective as prescription medicines in easing symptoms. It is a legendary healer of aching muscles and pains. Numerous studies have concluded that ginger can play an active role in reducing the onset of day-to-day aches and pains. It can be applied directly to the skin, but another great way to ease your aches is to drop some essential ginger oil into your bath and let it do its magic while you relax. It won't have an immediate impact, but use it for a couple of weeks and you will start noticing the benefits. It can help keep the brain sharp. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are believed to be 2 factors which contribute to the onset of Alzheimer's disease and age-related reductions in mental sharpness. Studies have shown that ginger can both fight inflammatory episodes that occur in the brain and even have a direct positive effect on mental function, improving reaction time and memory. It can help unblock a congested nose and chest. There is little more annoying than a week spent sniffing and spluttering due to a upper respiratory problem. But luckily, ginger is here to help. Its ability to fight the symptoms of a cough are also said to rival many over-the-counter medicines. So next time you have a common cold, dosing upon cups of ginger tea could be just the answer. And when there is a cold snap, the warming benefits of the tea will give you an extra boost as well. It fights indigestion and heartburn. Recurrent stomach and chest pain from heartburn can ruin anyone's day. It is believed that one of the chief causes of indigestion is the inability of the stomach to process and digest food quickly enough. Luckily, ginger contains ingredients that appear to speed up the emptying of the stomach by up to 50%, greatly reducing the risk of indigestion. So, if you suffer with this persistent problem, just 1.2 grams of ginger shortly before eating can help you enjoy your meal without concern. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.